Venice, the Italian lagoon city, is distinctive for its gondoliers, canals, bridges, and mosques. As border restrictions ease up, tourists are returning in hordes. And since late April, they have also been visiting the city for the Venice Biennale. The Art Biennale happens once every 2 years. It runs till November and showcases art from around the world. Its exhibits can be found in 2 main areas in the east. One of these is a former shipyard complex called the Arsenale. Here you'll find the national pavilions of countries including Singapore, which is represented by artist Shubigi Rao and curator Uttamata Bauer. There are other national pavilions in the area too, such as the Ukrainian Pavilion and the Malta Pavilion, along with some stunning exhibits from the Milk of Dreams main show, which features a majority of artists who are gender non-conforming or female, such as the acclaimed American sculptor Simone Lee. Once you're done at the Arsenale, check out more national pavilions at the other main Biennale area. The Giardini, which is just 1 water bus stop or a short walk away. These include the British Pavilion, the German Pavilion, and the French Pavilion. Later, follow the tourist trail to Venice's most famous bookstore, the Libreria Acqua Alta. Check out other shows such as this papery exhibition by Korean artist Chun Kwang-yong. And don't miss the Peggy Guggenheim Museum, which is home to gorgeous modern artworks from the collection of the eponymous American heiress. It's also staging an exhibition on surrealism and magic. As you travel around Venice in the warmer months, it's easy to be overwhelmed by the crowds of people. So take time to wander the streets in the early morning and soak in the city's breathtaking views.